In this video, I'm going to show you 9.5 passive income ideas that have potential to bring in over $100,000 a year. And if you're new to this channel, my name's Josh. This channel is all about saving and making money, so be sure to subscribe, ring that bell so you get a notification every time I release a new video, and hammer that like button for me. That's all I ask in return for making this video. I'm going to show you some of the best passive income ideas that can make you a lot of money in 2022 and beyond. Whether you're just starting out or you've been looking for something new, these ideas will definitely get your creative juices flowing. So sit back, relax, and let me share those ideas with you. What is passive income anyways? Passive income is a type of income that comes in regularly with little effort on your part. It's the opposite of active income, which is the money's earned by you working hours. With passive income, you put the work in once and you reap the rewards for months or even years to come. There are many different ways to create passive income, and some are more effective than others. The best ways to generate passive income is to find an existing opportunity and then put effort to make it work for you. There are many opportunities out there, but not all of them will be a good fit for you. It's important to do your research and choose an opportunity that will suit your needs and lifestyle. Most passive incomes require a lot of upfront investing of time and money with little work to maintain it. Something I want to make clear is that there's no such thing as passive income that requires zero work. So if there's someone that tells you there is, they're more than likely a scammer. Rental income. Making passive income with rental property is a popular way to achieve financial independence. It's relatively easy to get started, and there are many ways to do it. I'm going to give you 5 ways to make money with rental income. One way to get started with rental income is to buy a property and rent it out. You can either rent it out on your own or use a property management company. Another way to make passive income from rental properties is through real estate investment trust, REITs, R-E-I-T-S. REITs are companies that own, operate, and finance income-producing real estate. They are required by law to distribute 90% of their taxable profits to shareholders as dividends. There are many different types of REITs, but they all offer investors potential for high dividend yields and long-term capital appreciation. You can invest in REITs through a brokerage account or a retirement account such as a 401k or an IRA. Peer-to-peer lending is another way to make passive income through rental property. With peer-to-peer lending, you loan money to other people in exchange for interest payments. This can be a good way to earn passive income if you're able to find good borrowers. There are a few things to keep in mind when considering peer-to-peer lending as an investment. First, you'll need to research the different platforms to find one that suits your needs. Second, you'll need to carefully screen the borrowers to make sure they're likely to repay the loan. Another way to make passive income through rental property is through vacation rentals. You can rent out your property on a short-term basis such as an Airbnb for a week or two at a time. This can be a good way to earn extra income, but it's important to keep in mind that it takes a lot of work to manage vacation rentals. You'll need to market your property and screen for tenants and deal with any issues that come up. One final way to make passive income with rental property is through lease options. With a lease option, you agree to lease the property to a tenant for a set period of time, usually 1 to 5 years. A tenant has an option to purchase the property at the end of the lease. If they purchase the property, you'll receive a commission. Lease options can be a good way to earn passive income, but it's important to remember that there are some risks involved. The tenant could decide not to purchase the property, or they could default on the lease. Owning a laundromat. There are many ways to make passive income, and one that's overlooked often is owning a laundromat. Laundromats are a necessary part of any community, and people are always in need for a place to do their laundry. This means you can usually charge a high price for your service, which helps generate a healthy return on your investment. In addition, since people will be using the machines on a regular basis, you won't have to worry about maintaining them as often, and that can save you time and money in the long run. The average cost to process a load of laundry is anywhere from $3 to $4 depending on the location. This may not seem like a lot, but in hundreds of loads processed a day, this can really add up. Your primary job as the owner would be to maintain the building and equipment. vending machines. Making passive income with vending machines is a great way to earn extra money on the side. There are a few things that you need to do in order to get started. I'm going to give you 4 things that you need to do. Number 1, choose the right type of machines. There are many different types of vending machines available in the market, and you're going to need to choose one that best suits your needs and the products that you're going to be using. For example, if you want to sell drinks, you need to choose a machine that can hold and dispense drinks. Number 2, find a good location for your machines. The location of your vending machines is very important, and you need to make sure that they're in a high traffic area so more people can see and use them. Number 3, stock your machines with the right products. You need to make sure that you stock your vending machines with the right products. This means choosing products that people will actually want to buy. 4, maintain your machines regularly. In order to keep your vending machine working in good condition, you need to maintain them on a regular basis. This includes cleaning them and restocking them as needed. Following these steps, you can be well on your way to be making passive income with vending machines. Building storage units. If you're looking for a passive income idea that has high potential for profitability and scalability, you should consider starting a storage unit business. This business is relatively simple to start and can be operated on part of your property that is not currently being used. Here are some steps that you can take to get started. Depending on the size of the storage units you want to offer, there are a few types of storage units that you can choose from, including indoor storage units. These are perfect for storing furniture, appliances, and other large items. Or you got the outdoor storage units. These are perfect for storing cars and boats and things of that nature. Second, find a location for your business. When starting a storage unit business, it's important to find a location that's easily accessible for your customers. You may want to consider opening up shop in a commercial area or near a busy highway. You'll also need to make sure that your location that you choose has enough space to accommodate your units. 3, purchase the necessary business material. This will include materials like framing materials, fencing materials, garage doors, and that's just to name a few. And 4, advertise your business and start renting out the units. To promote your new storage unit business, you can use a variety of methods including online advertising, print advertising, and word-of-mouth marketing. You may also want to consider setting up a website or a social media page for your business, and once you have your advertisement in place, start renting out your storage units to your customers. And be sure to keep an eye on your units to ensure that they are being well maintained. Storage units are a great way to earn passive income, and with the right location and marketing, you can easily rent out storage units and earn a steady income. Keep in mind that, like any other business, this will require some initial investment and effort. One of the great things about this business is that it can operate on a very small budget. You can also start out part-time and gradually transition full-time if you choose to. Book writing. There are many ways to make passive income, and writing a book is one of them. If you decide to write a book, you can easily sell the book on Amazon and other online stores in just a few minutes and continue to earn royalties every time someone buys the book. And if you have a passion for writing and willing to put in the work, then being a book writer can be a perfect passive income stream for you. Anyone can write a book if they set their mind to it. Here are a few tips that can help you get started. 1, start by brainstorming ideas for a book. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than others? What topics would you like to learn more about, and jot down your ideas and start thinking which one could make the best book. 2, do your research. Once you've decided on the topic, it's time to do some research. Read books, articles, blog posts on your topic. Take notes, start thinking about what you'd like to include in your book. 3, create an outline. Once you have a good understanding of your topic, it's time to start organizing your thoughts. Create an outline for your book, and that includes the chapters and covers. This will help you stay on track to write and make sure that your book flows well. 4, start writing. The best way to finish a book is to start. Don't worry about perfection, just get your thoughts down on paper or screen, and you can always go back and edit your work later. 5, find a good editor. Once you got a complete draft of your book, It's time to find a good editor. A good editor will help improve your book and catch any errors that you may have missed. 6. Publish your book. Once the book is edited and ready to go, it's time to publish it. You can self-publish your book through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or other online platforms. 7. Promote your book. Just because your book is published doesn't mean people will automatically go find it. You need to promote your book through social media, your website, and other channels. 8. Collect your royalties. Once your book is out there, you can start collecting royalties. Most online bookstores will pay you a percentage of each sale so you can continue to earn income while you sleep. With book writing, you can easily turn your passion for writing into a passive income stream, blogging website. Making a passive income with a blogging website is a great way to bring in extra money each month. You can make this income by adding advertising to your blog or by including affiliate links in your post. There are a number of other ways you can make money through your blog as well, so be sure to explore all of your options. You can easily make over $100,000 a year with a successful blogging website. If you want to start a blog, the first thing you need to do is get a domain name and a website host. You can find both of these services for cheap or even free, and they are essential for starting your blog. Once you have registered your domain name and set up your hosting, you will need to choose a platform for your blog. There are a number of different options, but WordPress is by far the most popular. Once you have chosen your platform and set up your blog, you can need to start writing the content and be sure to write about topics that you are passionate about, as this will make your blog much more enjoyable to read. In order to make money from your blog, you'll need to drive traffic to it. The best way to do this is to promote your blog on social media as well as through other channels such as forums and commenting on other blogs. If you can get a steady stream of traffic to your site, you can start making some serious cash. There are a number of different ways to monetize your blog, so be sure to explore all of your options. I started a blog a couple months ago, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to check it out. Create a digital product. Making a passive income with a digital product such as an online course is a great way to earn money from home. You can create the course once and then continue to earn income from it for years to come. Here are 4 steps to get started. Choose a topic for your course that you're passionate about and something you know a lot about. This will make creating the course content much easier. 2. Create an online roadmap for your course so you know what material you'll need to cover. This will also make creation much more efficient. 3. Record your course content using video, audio, or text-based formats or combined all 3. 4. Put your course for sale on platforms like Teachable.com. You can also create a landing page on your website to sell your course. This is a great way to leverage your blogging website as well. You can sell your online course through your blogging website to make the most passive income from your digital product, or consider creating a membership site where people can access your content for your course at a monthly fee. This will provide you with reoccurring income stream, and you can continue to add new courses over time and keep people coming back. There are also many more digital products you can sell, like apps and computer programs. Decide what's your strong suit and build from there. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make passive income because once you set up your store, the orders will start coming in without any additional work from you. All you have to do is find a supplier who can ship the products directly to your customers, and then you just sit back and watch the profits roll in. Dropshipping can be a great way to make money, but it can also be challenging if you do not know what you're doing. To be successful, you need to find a reliable supplier who you can have products shipped directly to your customers, and you also need to make sure that you are pricing your products correctly. Affiliate marketing. Making a passive income with affiliate marketing is a great way to make money while you sleep. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but it takes time and effort to get started. Here are 4 tips that will help you get started. Number 1, choose the right products to promote. There is no point in promoting products that nobody wants to buy. choose products that are popular and in demand. 2, join affiliate programs. Once you've chosen products that you want to promote, you need to join the affiliate programs of the companies that sell these products. This will give you a unique hyperlink that you can use to promote your products. 3, promote your products on your website, blog, and social media accounts. Write articles or create videos that review the products that you're promoting. Include your affiliate link in these reviews so that people can buy the products through your links. 4, monitor your sales and keep track of how many sales you make and how much money you earn on each product. This will help you determine which products are making you money so that you can focus on promoting those products. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online as well. With Amazon, you can choose from millions of products to promote on your website and you'll earn a commission for every sale that you make. You can also use Amazon's affiliate program to promote products on other websites. All you need to do is create a text or image link to the product you want to promote, and then people will click the link and buy the product and you'll earn commission. I have made an Amazon store for my other YouTube channel, and I'll place a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you do make a purchase through that store, I do earn a small commission, but it's no extra cost to you and help support the channel. Affiliate marketing can be combined with the next passive income idea. Start a YouTube channel. If you're looking for ways to make passive income, starting a YouTube channel is a great option. With millions of people watching online videos every day, there is a lot of potential to make money from your channel, so you combine the Google AdSense ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and the digital product all via your YouTube channel. You can help so many people with just one channel. Here are 5 tips to help you get started. Find a niche or topic that you're interested in and that you think people will watch. And this could be anything from cooking to gaming to fashion. 2, research which keywords are popular and use those in your video's title and description. This will help people locate your video. 3, use high quality equipment for filming your videos. This doesn't mean you need to spend a lot of money, but a good camera and a microphone will make a big difference in the quality of your videos. 4, edit your videos to make them look like they are professional and polished. Again, this doesn't have to be expensive and time consuming. You can find some great software options for less than $100. 5, promote your videos on social media and other platforms. The more people who see your videos, the more likely you'll get views and subscribers. By following these tips, you can start earning passive income from your YouTube channel in no time. I run 2 YouTube channels, this one and The Excellent Laborer. I love making videos that help my audience by showing them how I do my DIY projects, and this is a true passion of mine. I plan on doing it for the rest of my working life. Just remember, be patient. It takes time to build up a large audience. Dividend Stocks. I made this one only worth 0.5 or half of an idea because it falls into the investing category as well as the passive income category. Making passive income with dividend stocks is a great way to secure your financial future. All you need to do is purchase stocks from companies that offer regular dividends and then sit back and collect your payments. It's really that simple. Of course, you'll need to do your research and find the best dividend stocks, but once you've found a few solid companies, you find it easy to set up a dividend investment plan and start earning money without having to put forth much active effort. One of the greatest things about dividend stocks is that they offer potential for high returns. In fact, if you reinvest your dividends, you could see your investment growth go exponential over time. For example, let's say that you invest $10,000 into a company that offers a 5% dividend. After 1 year, you would have earned $500 in dividends, and if you could reinvest those dividends, that would then be $10,500 to reinvest the following year, so on and so forth. With compound interest, your investment can grow exponentially, and that could eventually start earning you a 6-figure passive income from your dividends alone. I made a video where I discussed my favorite recession-proof stocks. Those stocks are also some of my favorite dividend stocks. If you want to see what stocks those are, check out this video. It'll help you out.